This is Dragonapot, and I welcome you to my channel. Today we're unveiling a new video series, Recipe for a Good Story. In this video series, my goal is helping improve your storytelling techniques. Now, this being said, there's many areas that can be improved either individually or as a community overall to tell better stories and help our players and the GMs themselves invest more in the story that's being told. One topic that I want to have predominant is characters and how to give them a little more character individually, whether you're talking humans that you run into in almost every campaign setting, whether these are fantastical elves that you'll run into once in a blue moon, or if you're running a decently high fantasy, a little more frequently than that, or whether you're talking your monsters, giving them a motive to why they're there. And being able to do this without writing full, huge 3-page backstories on every single NPC that inhabits your world. And it's difficult to talk improving our storytelling technique without discussing voices and how to accomplish them. Whether you're talking simply just doing an accent that, hey bloke, come here, I want to talk to you, or moving the focus of your voice, whether you make it nasally and whiny, or whether you do a full falsetto, either very high and up in the air and flighty, or drop it down and maybe give it some gravelly texture, or perhaps accent different letters. I want to drink your blood. And how to accomplish this in various ways that I've found to be effective. Then, of course, you want to discuss motivations. What makes the character in question actually want to be there? Are they just looking to feed themselves, maybe their family? Are they looking to hoard food? Or if it's a monster, are they just hungry? Are they seeking wealth? Are they looking to get paid for a job? This is a great motivation for mercenaries, or in some cases, adventurers themselves, which could be argued that they are mercenaries. Or are you dealing with a wizard where their motivation is magic and power and what can I learn from this ancient book that's been lost for millennia? Whatever the case may be. Or, again, are they just a town guard that all they care about is getting paid so they can feed their family? I thank you for joining me here today on this trailer for Recipe for a Good Story. If any of these topics are at all interesting to you, I would invite you to like, share, and I would invite you to subscribe so that you know when the full videos are released. And I look forward to seeing you soon on my full videos. This is Dragonapot, signing off.